Welcome to my channel. My name's Ashley and I love makeup. I focus on indie and affordable brands, so if that's what you're into, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and let's go ahead and get started. Alright, you guys, so deep breaths, deep breaths. The phrase, things can't get any worse, don't exist in my life because every day they keep getting worse. I am literally begging for mercy at this point. So if you guys have any prayers or good vibes that you could lend, I need it. I do think I'm going to buy some sage and sage myself in my house because at this point, this is just ridiculous. Normal people don't have this much BS to deal with. So, one of my other dog is now having problems. Like, he was like limping and there's just this weird stuff happening. And I'm like, what is, God, please, God, please, God, enough is enough. Universe, whoever, enough is enough. So anyway, that's where my head's at right now. Not good, not good. So let's go ahead, let's do some makeup, hopefully get my mind off it for a minute, you guys. And I'm sorry my videos have been so down, but like, when I tell you I am 1 second away from a mental breakdown, I am there, and it's not good. So anyway, this is the NYX Duck Plump Plumping Lip Liner in the shade Swollen Spice. I've not tried this one yet. So let's put that on. And also, this is the NYX Lip IV Hydrating Gloss Serum in the shade Hydra Honey. I did not realize these were so tiny. They look so much bigger in the ads. Kind of smells coconutty. Much more pigment than I expected. That feels good on the lips, man. You have dry, cracked, nasty lips because of winter. This is good. This is good. All right, you guys. So I'm going to use the Ladybug Glow Vampy Treat Palette today, and it was part of the Eyescream Beauty box. Again, I'm so sorry. I don't know which month, so I don't know if you could still get it through Eyescream Beauty. Check Ladybug Glow's Etsy, that's where I get everything, or her website. Here's that really pretty palette. It's absolutely beautiful. You guys, I'm sorry. I'm just such a freaking wreck right now. Whew, I feel like I need to go to the hospital, but I can't because I'm gonna be losing my car soon because my husband has to go to work. And if I didn't update on that, he needs a whole new engine. There's a slight chance Kia may cover it, but we're not holding our breath. So there's that. Let's start with let's start with the shade. Let's start with Vampy. Let's start with Vampy. I have no idea where this is going, by the way, because my brain just cannot anymore with anything. But yeah, so if they don't cover it, obviously we don't have like $4,000 to $6,000 for a new engine, and the car's not even worth that. He can't keep taking my car because he's been late because our schedules overlap and I work so far away from home. He's applied for several jobs, but then again now, like, I don't know, I guess we thought we were gonna be able to get his car up and running, but then he's applied for jobs, but he doesn't have a car. But like, I'm also like, let's not use that for an excuse. Like, we gotta figure something out. We have to figure something out because he's not able to help with bills anymore, which he kind of wasn't toward the end anyway, before his car blew up, because everything is just so out of control. But yeah, it's just not, things just aren't going well. And they keep getting worse, and I'm already doing all that I can do. So I don't know what to do anymore. I mean, I lost my vehicle. You know, I can't do anything after work, so I couldn't even pick up another job. Let's go with the shade Grungy and kind of blend that out with that. But yeah, I just don't know what to do. Don't know what to do. But yeah, so that's where my life is right now. How are you guys doing? Hopefully much, much, much better. I'm gonna be doing my Sunday live after this. It is Sunday, so I'm hoping that will put me in better spirits, like get me to a place where I can at least make it through the night, and then it's back to work, which we all know if you don't, my job is absolutely destroying me as well. So that brings more bad stuff. Like basically I can't get away from the bad, and like I got my bangs cut and they are just not cooperating. But yeah, I cannot get away from the bad is basically the whole problem. And I am just losing my mind because I'm just so overwhelmed and stressed out. All right, you guys, I need to do something on the lower lash line. Let's do the shade Wine. That's really, really pretty, and I feel like that'd give us like a really cool smoky lower lash line. All right. I like that. I like what we got going. Now let's take the shade Truffle, which has like little gold sparklies in it, and let's put that deep in that outer. So yeah, like I'm kind of thinking at this point, like my husband should, like I need to talk to him about it. Start trying like remote jobs. So if anybody knows any remote jobs that are like actually wanting to hire people, could you just comment down below and like let us know? And like it really can't have any qualifications. I mean, I know that sounds weird, but like he's got customer service experience, but he doesn't have like a degree. So something that is, he's done data entry before, but yeah, just anything like that. If you know of anything, comment down below, because I'm worried he's gonna end up getting fired because his employer's not happy that he's been late. But like we literally have one car and I have to work too, and I can't work from home. Our schedules overlap, so I don't know what we're supposed to do. All right, you guys, I'm trying to decide what do I want to go in with. Let's go with the shade Yum. It looks so pretty. Ooh, that is gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. All right, you guys, that's good. That's good. You guys, I just want to cry, but like I've cried so much, you know? It's like, what do you do? I mean, I know, like, let's go with the lower inner corner highlight with the shade Nightfall right here. Like, I know they say that, like, life will keep hitting you with the same thing until you learn your lesson, but, like, at this point, I don't know what lesson I'm supposed to be learning here, you know? I work my tail off. And the other thing is, you guys, I've come to realize, like, with my job, financially, I'm not going to be able to make it. Like, I need something else where I can make more money, but I have not been able to find that. And it's just really getting a little stressful here, because I'm like, I can't afford to go back to school. I still owe like 15, well no, I think it's down to 14 now, and you guys, I've been paying student loans for 20 freaking years. And And it's like, I can't afford to go to school. I don't have time because I work full time. Like, and it's not even just working full time. It's like work full time. I'm responsible for everything. And even like working full time, so it's full time and then some. I never get out of there on time. And yeah, it's a lot. It's a lot. All right, let's start with the shade. Start with Berry. I'm just feeling Berry. But yeah, I'm literally like, I'm so stressed out that I'm just in this block and I can't even think straight. I can't even think straight. And it's just terrifying. This is a really, really, really pretty blue shade. That is gorgeous. All right. Now, I want to take the shade Custard and blend it out with that. So this is Custard right here. All right, now I need to do something with that lower lash line. I might just do the same shade, which was Wine, I believe. Or no, let's do grungy. Let's do something different because I don't think I've used grungy yet. All right. All right, take some glitter glue. And now I'm gonna go into the shade Twilight, this really, really pretty green right here. Oh man, that green, that is freaking stunning. Oh, that's beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. All right, you guys. Now, take that shade Nightfall, which is that shade right there. And that's going to be our lower inner corner highlight. All right, I'm gonna go do mascara and I will be right back. I am back. Everything that I do is a struggle and a journey these days. So you guys, really quick, my blush and highlight. I applied for the Buzz Agent. It's this site, and I'm sure I'm gonna get all this wrong, but you can apply to get like some free items and stuff to test. And I was finally chosen for something, which I applied for things like a long time ago. Like, you don't really know what you're gonna get. They just, I guess, randomly select people, but I finally got something. And so Natasha Denona, through the Buzz Agent, sent me this high blush to try. And it's what I have on the face, and it's a highlighter and a blush. So right there, how cute is that? And this is the shade Flustered, which, holy shit, perfect, because boy am I flustered with life right now. But anyway, I think it's really, really pretty. This blush, oh, it's a cream blush and highlight as well. Let me see if I can do it. I had it swatched on one side. Let me swatch it on my hand for you guys. I already have stuff on this hand, but disregard that. This blush is so pigmented, but it's really, really pretty. And I love the pink highlight. So there you go, you guys. It's really, really pretty. It's been on for about 5 hours, and it's wearing well. I definitely toned the blush down because, like, do you see how pigmented that is? But it's absolutely beautiful. I love it. It's more of a natural shine that the highlight gives. Again, right there. But it's so, ignore, this is just something, that's that ColourPop highlight that I swatched yesterday that will not come off my hand. Not color, not highlight, super shock shadow, but yeah. This and then that right there. If you guys can see them. Just really, really pretty, and I need to remember to submit my reviews as well. But, and that's another thing, if you're a content creator and you're wanting to maybe try to get some free products to review, try Buzz Agent. It's like BZZ Agent. And I think they have offer like different categories of things as well. It's not just makeup stuff. So if you're into that, check it out. And then, let's see. This was the Ladybug Glow Vampy Treat. Oh, and it's also an Eyescream Beauty palette. I think I mentioned that at the beginning as well. So there we go. Absolutely beautiful. You guys know I love Ladybug Glow so much. She just has a magic touch when it comes to everything. Like, she is so incredibly talented. I wish I even had half her talent. So let's do a final look-see. All right, you guys. So that's it. I need to get off here. I need to start getting ready for my live that starts in 44 minutes. Need to charge my phone, need to get my crap together, all the things. So my phone keeps going off, and I'm just so stressed that I'm just like waiting for the next ball to drop. But anyway, if y'all have any prayers or good vibes or anything you could offer me, I would appreciate it so much, because I have had all that I can take. I'm scared to death about what next week's gonna bring, because we're probably gonna hear about my husband's car, and if Kia doesn't agree to fix it, I don't know what we're gonna do. So that's where we're at, you guys. Deep breaths, man, deep breaths. That's just what I keep telling myself, just deep breaths. But anyway, I hope you guys are well. Just please remember you're beautiful, loved, and amazing. Have a wonderful day, night, evening, whatever it is, wherever you are, and hopefully I'll see you again next weekend.